Architectural Builder's Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Product is made by Accurate Hardware. It's a knife edge pull 3/4 inch. I think that's the smallest width that you have, right?
Okay, so the question is 3/4 inch the smallest that there
right.
is?
The one I'm looking at is the Accurate FE158-3/4. It comes in 1 inch and 3/4. Deltona makes them, but I'm looking. The reason I'm calling is this: I have to buy a lot of them, but I'm going to start with one. The door is 3/4 inch thick wood, and I can't use a 1 inch because that's going to hang out the back side of the door. 3/4 inch is fine if it's mitered in, I guess, but a 1/2 inch would be better. But I don't see anything anywhere where they make them a 1/2 inch unless I had it manufactured myself, which is going to be too expensive for the hospital product I'm looking for. But you advertise that you sell the Accurate FE158-3/4. You see it on your website. I'm looking at it now.
I'm familiar with it, sure. Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm not good at this. Could that be inserted on the side, be more just into the door on the side, and even though the door is 3/4 and this is 3/4, that's going to be okay? It doesn't need any wood behind it to hold it in? It's not going to be open all that much there.
It doesn't need anything behind it. The trouble that you're going to want to confirm is put a caliper on your door thickness, because 3/4 doesn't mean it's 0.75. It could be 0.72. In that case, you might have a little issue. So I would put a caliper on it.
Okay, I'll do that. My builder, you're right. My builder said they were 3/4, but you're right. So I'll have to check for sure. But let's say it is. If it's 3/4 and this thing is 3/4 and it's exact 3/4, you're not troubled by that. It would be, the 1 inch one would be too big because that would hang out, right? It would hang out another 1/4 inch off the back. It would just not look right. So I'm good with this. Yes.
Unless you notch the face of your stop.
Right. Okay. And in your mind, from what you've seen, that nobody makes a 1/2 inch?
No, I've never seen it. Quite frankly, anything smaller than 1 inch is highly unusual. Anything smaller than 3/4, in my experience, is unheard of.
Right. Okay. So the guys out in Long Island Racetrack can do it, but it's very expensive. Okay. And this item would be like the Deltona one, right? It's going to be strong and it would handle use quite frequently. The doors are they're wooden doors, not very thick wooden doors. They're so we have the space for the hospital within the garage. But, the doors are on solid wood. They're what do they call that board you use in humidity areas to keep them from warping? It's that kind of board, so it's not that heavy. Okay, and how long would it take me to get one?
A couple of weeks.
Okay, and if I need probably 2 just to start to let them see, and they don't have to be designated right or left, right? They're the same. They go right or left side.
That is correct.
Okay, and I could do it online or just call back when I know for sure, because I'm going to check, as you said, caliber the door, and just call you up and you can ship them to me in New York?
That'd be the preferred way, yes, sir.
And what would that cost the shipping on 2 of them?
About $12.
Oh, okay, great. Okay, well, thank you very much. I appreciate the information. I can now transmit it to the group then. If I needed to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, would you have 10 in stock, or 8 once we get these 2? Where you can get them?
The factory makes everything. Accurate, they're made to order kind of outfit. Some things have a much shorter lead time, but generally about 2 weeks is a fair amount of time for Accurate to produce something like that.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. Architectural Builder's Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.